Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Okay, in front here I have a white box Range Rover which I have bought from Tom's Model, the biggest diecast store, when I was there a few months ago. It cost €30. Let me just... Okay, there is a website. So we know it's from Germany. The address. Could we go there and buy from the distributor direct? I've opened on the wrong site. Okay. There's this thing here. Okay, 1/24 scale. I paid €30. So about the price, €30 is 150 ringgit or 50 Australian dollars. 50 Australian dollars, is it reasonable? Well, it's not cheap. It's also not expensive. If I were to buy a Maestro or Burago at 124, it would cost let me see, €25. So this is just €5 more. Okay, again about white box and the pricing. I went to Miniature Auto Winkle and it is cheaper there, €25, but they had limited variety. Whereas at the biggest diecast store, you have a lot of variety. Some of the cars, yes, you have at the Miniature Auto Winkle, so they don't have this. Okay, I'm not taking it out from the base. There are 4 screws, no opening parts, which is a shame, because 1/24 scale, like Maestro, Burago, we have even green light opening parts, at least the doors. This is very clean. There are no gaps, so the door doesn't open. But the window is clear, so we can see the interior very clearly without opening the doors. Seats are cream leather. This is the spare wheel you can see standing over here. The boot, the steering wheel, the dashboard, side mirrors, very fragile. White wheels with rubber tires, no steering. So yeah, this is the white box 1/24 scale Range Rover. Two-door. When it first came out, this is from 1970. They start making this in the 1970, 54 years ago. 3.5 liter V8. We have license plate. So this is a road going car. Unfortunately, 50 years is a long time, and Land Rover, Range Rover is not famous for reliability. Maybe back in those days, but still 50 years is a long time. So this model is as good as it gets to the real thing. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.